Hey guys, the festive season is here and we are almost ready to celebrate it with our family and close friends. But can we forget the pandemic? No. So today I'm going to show you how you can transform a mask which you can definitely wear with your ethnic wear and rock it. So let's get started. You can choose any solid color mask. I have taken black as it matches with my outfit. Then you need some acrylic colors according to your choice, of course, and whatever matches your outfit. For this black mask I have taken white and silver. You can also take golden, and I'll use silver in particular. First of all, you gotta decide on which side you want your design to be. Here I want it on the left side, and then I would suggest you to first draw the design with pencil so you'll get a rough idea and it won't be messy. Use a thin tip brush and remember the water usage should be very minimum. Do not dip the brush into the color, use only the tip. You can see the color is only on the tip of the brush. Then very carefully start drawing on the lines. Now this is how it finally looks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and I have some more ideas on festive mask which I'll share on my next video, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.